good, YouTube? It's Eli back here on another video. And then today for you guys, I'm doing a washing style. I'm gonna teach you guys how to wash your hair when it's short. It's a little different than when you're washing your hair when it's long. So stay tuned. And before I get into the video though, make sure you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. What you're gonna need for this video is a few things. A shampoo, of course. You can't do a washing style without a shampoo. I prefer you get an all natural shampoo. This right here, Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo. Of course, you're gonna need a mirror. Your hair is short, you're gonna need a medium or soft brush. This is optional. You're gonna need a comb. It's optional though, because your hair is short, it's not long. But you know, this is for the people that wanna comb their hair. If you do, you can use a comb. This is something new I'm adding to my washing style. I'm gonna use this because I don't use this for my regular crown isolation, so I'm gonna use it for a washing style. Remember, you guys, I told you crown isolation during washing style is very important. So I'm gonna use this. Again, this is optional. You don't need this, but this is a spray bottle. And it's optional because you don't need a spray bottle. You can just go to the sink, run the water, and you can put it in your hair. But I don't like to do that. I just want to use a spray bottle. Lastly, you're gonna need a silky do-rag. So when you're done, you just put this on and you're good to go. Alright, you guys, so let me show you guys how my hair look before I start this washing style. So I'm looking right now, you guys. As you do know, I got a cut about a week ago, so this is my first washing style after a cut. So not only am I showing you guys how to wash your hair with short hair, but I'm showing you guys my first washing style after a cut. Remember, you guys, I told you guys in plenty of videos, do not wash your hair after a fresh cut. You washed your hair a day or two prior to that, you don't need to wash again. You want to wait about a week to a week and a half. I got my cut last week Tuesday, and today is Thursday. So it's a week and 2 days later. And this is how I'm looking. I've been brushing every single day, putting in that work. My hair is a little dirty. It has a lot of products in it, so now it's time to get a good wash. Let me give you guys a 360 view though. As you guys see, I've been putting in that work. First thing you want to do is comb out your hair. But remember, you guys, combing is optional. So if you don't want to comb, you can just skip this step. Here's a little quick tip when you're combing your hair. Small teeth comb is for when your hair is short. Wide tooth for when your hair is long. The comb is getting more stuck in my crown because my crown is longer than my hair. Remember, I cut my crown to 2.5 and I cut the rest of my hair to a 2. So that's why the comb is getting more stuck in my crown than my hair. After you combed out your hair, first thing you want to do is wet it. Wet it with warm water. Now after you wet your hair with warm water, take your shampoo, apply a moderate amount. Remember, you guys, your hair is dirty and it's full of products, so it's not gonna lather up the first time. Just put that in your hair and then just start to scratch. This is the part that feels real good. Once you scratch your hair real good, you want to rinse out again with warm water. You want to take your shampoo and apply a good amount. So after you put the shampoo in your hair real good, you'll know that there's a lot of lather still left on your hands. I just like to take all that lather. See? Just take all that excess amount of lather and add that lather to your brush. Now it's just time to get a good lengthy session in. You guys, my mirror just broke in the middle of the washing style. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna have to be back with another mirror. This is my backup mirror, you guys. Now, I know it's not as big, but this is all I have to use at the moment. My mirror broke. It finally broke. This was a good mirror. It had a long handle and the handle broke off, so I just been holding it like this for a long time. And then I guess I had too much soap on my hand and it slipped and it broke. But I'm gonna get rid of this right now because broken mirrors is bad luck. So I'm gonna get rid of this. So I guess for now I'll just be using this small ass mirror. I'm gonna have to get real close to the camera because I can't see nothing in this small mirror. But this is my backup mirror. All I have at the moment. I gotta go out and buy a new mirror now. But anyway, you guys, let's get back to the video. After you brushed everything into place and your hair is looking up to par, is looking how you want it, just want to take your hands, any excess lather you got too, and just go over your pattern. A lot of people don't know why having a lot of lather is important. We don't just do it just because it looks good. The lather is what kind of like holds your hair together. It molds your hair together so it can lay down good. Just gonna go over your pattern until your hair is laid down. Once everything is laid down to how you want it, take that do-rag and put it on right away. So you guys, after you put on that do-rag, now you want to rinse out your hair with cold water. After you rinse out your hair with cold water, let your hair dry for 3 to 4 hours. It's gonna take a while. You want to make sure your hair is dry and the do-rag is dry. So after you make sure your hair dry, then you unrag. But your hair has to be completely dry before you unrag. So I'm gonna rinse this out, wait about 3 to 4 hours till my do-rag and my hair is completely dry, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, you guys, it's been about 5 hours later. My hair and my do-rag is completely dry. So I'm gonna unrag right now and show you guys the results. You see my edges is a little messed up. The past few times I've been doing the washing style, my edges have been getting messed up a little bit. I don't know why, but I'll figure it out and try and fix it. But for the most part, my hair is completely laid. My crown is a little bit messed up, but you know, that's nothing, you know, that's nothing that I can't fix. Anyway, you guys, you see how my hair is looking? So that's how you wash your hair when it's short. So as you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button. I want everybody to like the video. It really helps me out. And as always, you guys stay wavy.